Today I am going to share crispy spicy chicken Malai Boti Samosa recipe. Chicken marination preparation. Chicken, 500 grams. Ginger garlic paste, 2 teaspoon. Green chili paste, 2 tablespoon. Black pepper, 1 teaspoon. Salt to taste. Lemon juice, 2 teaspoon. Yogurt. Heavy cream, 1 cup. Mix well. Done. Cover and rest for 30 minutes. Oil to tablespoon. Add marinated chicken. Stir. Cover and cook until water dry. Stir after sometimes. Done. Smoke 2 minutes. Glue preparation. Flour to tablespoon and water to teaspoon. Mix it. Spring rolls pastry. Follow the steps. Apply the glue. Cook chicken as required. Apply glue. Done. Can be frozen up to 3 weeks. Deep fry. Fry until golden brown. Done. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.